I saved some of my most used modeling tools to favorites. I just dropped in a random image of a stool on a plane. Just for reference, don't need to copy it one to one. Start by making the base of the chair, then add some quick edges to allow to just extrude the legs. The legs are a bit thinner at the end, so I'll do that too. Then create the supporting elements. Use the Align tool to make sure the middle part is properly centered. And then make a small cylinder to use with the Boolean tool to create that small incision. Lastly, create a small rectangular shape and add some bevel to give that rounded edge and create a hole like before. Then can pick up all the straggler static meshes and create one merged actor. Auto UVs works well for quick prototypes and to assign multiple materials. Let's say for the top of the chair, we want a different material. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.